Tackling grimy grout, sticky kitchen grease, or wrinkled clothes without harsh chemicals? A portable steam cleaner might be your secret weapon. But do you need all the accessories or just raw power? Today, we're putting 3 popular handheld steamers to the test: the accessory-packed Moshe, the versatile Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach, and the powerful Dovety. Welcome back to Top 3 Compared. I'm your host, Misha. First, a huge Happy New Year to all of you. We'd also like to give a warm welcome to our newest family members. A special shout out to Tahira Khan, Ranger Will 6, and Kenneth Hawley. Thanks for joining the family. Now, let's get into it. We're breaking down which of these steam cleaners offers the best clean, the most convenience, and the greatest value for your home. Let's find your perfect match. Moshe Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. First up, the Moshe Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. This is the ultimate all-in-one kit. It comes with a massive 11-piece accessory set, including brushes for every surface, a window squeegee, and a fabric steamer attachment. It's like getting a specialized tool for every job in your house. The pressurized tank builds steam quickly and delivers a continuous, powerful blast to dissolve dirt and grease on contact. It's fantastic for deep cleaning large areas like tiled floors or shower walls. The trade-off? All those accessories mean it's less compact than the others, and the water tank, while powerful, needs refilling more often for big jobs. Bottom line: choose the Moshe if you want a comprehensive cleaning arsenal for every surface and don't mind a slightly larger setup. Dovety Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner. Next, the Dovety Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner. This steamer wins on versatility and reach. Its key feature is the long hose and extension wand that lets you clean high windows, ceiling corners, or floor grout without bending or straining. It generates powerful, targeted steam, perfect for detail work like sanitizing kitchen seals, refreshing upholstery, or cleaning window blinds. It's more compact and maneuverable than a full kit. While it comes with useful attachments like a grout brush and fabric tool, it focuses on precision over a huge array of accessories. Bottom line: choose the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach for its incredible flexibility, extended reach, and excellent performance on targeted, detailed cleaning tasks. The Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach. Finally, the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach. This is a powerhouse built for tough jobs. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental steam release, a great feature for families. It also comes with a generous accessory kit to handle various surfaces. Where it shines is in its rapid heat-up time and strong, consistent steam pressure, making it effective at cutting through heavy grime, car engine grease, or deeply embedded dirt. It's a robust, no-nonsense tool designed for frequent, heavy-duty use. Bottom line: choose the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach for its robust power, safety features, and ability to tackle the toughest, grimmiest cleaning challenges you can throw at it. Category winners and final verdict. And the winners are: Best Accessory Kit and Versatility, Moshe. Best for extended reach and detail work, the Dovety Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner. Best for heavy-duty jobs and safety, the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach. Which should you choose? Choose the Moshe if you're equipping your home for the first time and want one kit with an accessory for every possible job. Choose the Dovety if you need to clean high, low, or detailed areas without bending, or if you value compact storage. Choose the Bissell Steam Shot OmniReach if you face regularly heavy grime, like in a workshop or garage, and prioritize raw power and safe operation. And that's the clean sweep. One of these steam cleaners is the perfect partner for your next big clean. We've linked all models in the description, so you can check the latest prices and deals. If this helped you decide, a quick like really helps the channel. Subscribe to Top 3 Compared and join the family, and let us know in the comments which one you're choosing and what you'll clean first.